This World Environment Day. At NBC Bearings, every revolution counts. Our plants run on solar power and 100% LED lighting. Our bearings power renewable energy and EVs. Zero liquid discharge, rainwater harvesting, green belts around every facility. We design for less friction, less waste, less impact. Because sustainability isn't a project, it's how we work. NBC Bearings. All plants have collectively reduced 5,135.75 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent of carbon emissions, equal to the annual carbon dioxide absorption of 1,68,272 trees. 20 megawatts renewable energy generation, 5 million litres water saving annually. Low carbon emission. 270,301 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. Reusable, returnable packaging. Environment-friendly factories.